too much fragrance. This is why I can't. Whew. Way too much fragrance. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jamie B. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my Tula skincare haul. I got a bunch of Tula skincare from Ulta, and I just wanted to go through and show you guys what I got and do like mini reviews or first impressions of the item. So if you're excited to see what I got from Tula, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright guys, so just as a reminder, a one and final reminder, I am closing my giveaway at the end of today, which means 11:59 p.m. Eastern time. If anyone comments after that, unfortunately, they will not be entered into the giveaway. So if you have not entered my giveaway, go ahead and check it out. I'll put it right here, and I will also link it in the description for you. But today is it. It is closing. It is done, and I will be announcing the winners tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the video. I had ordered a bunch of this stuff a while ago, and I haven't really done it yet because I have a lot of skincare that I'm testing and I'm trying and all of that super fun stuff, you know, life of a YouTuber, am I right? But a friend of mine actually had asked if I'd ever used them before because she was thinking about getting a mask, and it's this mask, and I was like, no. I was like, I haven't actually used them before, but I have a ton of their stuff. It's just waiting to be used, so it kind of like kicked me in the butt to get it started. And I also waited because I wanted to order this, so I ordered it a couple days ago. But I am going to be wearing this one today. I'm pretty much doing like an unboxing or first impressions of them for you guys, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back in about 2 weeks and do an updated video of me just using them for the 2 weeks to give you a more in-depth review, because I really don't want to tell you guys after just opening it and kind of smelling it and looking at it that it's something that you should or shouldn't buy, because these are pretty expensive items. So I really want to give them a little bit of a go. However, I am going to be doing a full review on this one today while we're opening this stuff. So another thing I did want to say is if my lights seem a little bit dark today, I am trying to figure out my lighting situation, how I like it, what looks best for my videos, and sometimes I just find myself really struggling to accept what is, that it's either too light or it's too dark. I can't find a happy medium, so just bear with me. I know it's a little bit dark today. So with tax and everything, a total between both this one and the actual haul that I did a couple weeks ago, it was a total of $364.64, and it's just been sitting here for a while. So we're gonna get into the first item, which is the Tula Skincare Detox in a Jar Exfoliating Treatment Mask. And this product retails for $48. Packaging seems kind of like minimal, very bland. It kind of reminds me of Laneige skincare, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But for $48, I really just feel like this should probably be better. It's just very plain. It's very small too. This is very small. You get 1.65 ounces for $50, but I've heard nothing but good things about this brand, so we're gonna see. Oh, so it's like a clay mask. Oh, yeah, it smells like a clay mask, and it's just this like hairy winkle color. I know my lights are being kind of crazy, but it's like this like bluish, purplish, grayish color. So what I like to do for my face mask is it's actually a makeup brush. I'm pretty sure this is like a foundation brush to scoop it up and use it, but we're gonna read the directions. So this says, feed your skin the good stuff. Ooh, it's formulated without parabens, sulfates, mineral oils, gluten, retinol, silicone, dimethicone, and they're cruelty free. There's a whole list of things here. So it says your weekly skin detox, so you only use it once a week. Apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin. After 5 minutes, remove the mask with warm water by massaging it in a circular motion. Oh, it says use 2 to 3 times weekly. You use this 2 to 3 times weekly, you're gonna use this in like less than a month. That's crazy. But we're gonna get into it so we can get into the rest of the haul. Now my face is already been cleaned. I did not use the Tula products yet. I just used the skincare I'm currently using. So it has been washed, it has been dried, and I'm just doing a thin layer. This actually doesn't smell terrible. Like some clay masks can really, really stink. It has pieces in it, which is somewhat strange, but I guess that's the exfoliating part. Oh no, is this a physical exfoliator? I try not to use this because I have really dry skin, so hopefully, I don't know. This brand is like raved about all over the internet, all over the beaut community. Let's get into this. So this was a free gift. You know, with me spending 80, 100 million gazillion dollars, So this is the Tula Skincare Balance Berry and Bright Calendar 14 Days of Balanced Beauty Gummy Vitamins. I'm not going to open this. I'm actually going to put it in the box in the giveaway to the one person who's going to win the box of goodies because I think it's cute and I think that they would love something like that. So the first thing I have here is the Signature Glow Refreshing and Brightening Face Mist. Here's the thing, the scoop, the tea with this. I was really excited to try this. This is the $34, by the way. And then I watched Laura Lee's declutter and she was like, yeah, I'm throwing this away. It's too much glitter. And I'm like, not glitter, no! It doesn't remind me of skincare. It has like something in there. It doesn't remind me of skincare. It has like this aqua, like iridescent-y mix to it. There's definitely like highlighter of some kind in there. I'm just like, I know I did not just pay $35 for glitter spray. Oh, she smells good though. So I'm gonna spray it on my hand like I would. I'm just very confused on why a skincare would have glitter in it, but you know, people do strange things. This fine light diffusing face mist and probiotics hyaluronic acid hydrates while strawberry extract and kiwi fruit water help brighten the appearance of skin. Oh, okay, it brightens your skin. Helps protect from pollution and blue light. Okay, I am in front of the screens all the time. Get the ultimate refreshed pearlescent glow. Shake the bottle generously before spraying. Reapply throughout the day. Okay, but like, what's the glow? I don't know, it doesn't tell me. So I'm looking at my hand to kind of see if it... So definitely, heck yeah, like look at the difference. This is definitely a little bit more dull and this isn't wet anymore, so that's nice. I actually don't hate that. And this is so soft now. Oh my god. This is a toner. This is the Get Toned Pro-Glycolic Acid 10% Resurfacing Toner. And this too was $34, which I can't use right now because I have a mask on. I'm just trying to find another glycolic toner because I got the one from The Ordinary and I used it for like 30 days and it literally, every time I put it on my face, made my face itch. So that was not my tea. So it says tone up for smooth and even looking skin. It's alcohol free. It's a gel. Ooh. Ooh, I've never used a toner that's not a super liquidy consistency. Glycolic acid complex. It has probiotics in it too. Gently exfoliate the skin, leaving it looking smooth, hydrated, and even. Benefits go beyond a traditional toner with superfoods like beet and blueberry that hydrate. Oh, so I guess like these all have superfoods in them, which by the way is kind of like superfoods. But it has like, you know what I mean? It's more natural. It has like blueberries and beets and stuff like that. This is pretty cool. All right, I'm excited to try this. So this one was $34. Again, I'm gonna be doing a whole 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. I haven't decided how long I want to do it of just using these so I can let you guys know what is going on. So this is the hashtag no makeup replenishing oil. I needed a new cleansing oil or makeup remover because my Wishful Clean Genie, I've gotten 2 of them and I've used them, but I wanted to try something else. So I didn't want to buy another one of those yet because it is my favorite. So I'm holding off on buying another one of those and I wanted to try this, which is a cleansing oil. I prefer cleansing oil and cleansing balms over any kind of makeup wipe or any kind of makeup remover just because they're more gentle and nicer for your skin, especially if you have dry skin. So I'm excited to try that one. I guess I'll try to see how it smells. I should probably take this off my face too. It smells like olive oil. That's very weird. Okay, we have an olive oily scent. Okay, and I want to go back to this toner. All right, so we're gonna go into this gel, the toner, just to see if it has a scent because it has like blueberries in it. No, nothing crazy. I mean, like it's just skincare. I think it's fragrance free if I'm not mistaken. So it doesn't say that it's fragrance free, but I don't really smell much. It might be that I have this mask on, but I don't smell anything crazy. So the next thing I got was the Beauty Sleep Overnight Repair Treatment, and this one was $64. Jesus, at least it's bigger than the mask. All right, and oh, it's one of these. I do like this a lot. I'm such a child. So it says, our most potent treatment cream developed specifically to work with your skin's natural nightly repair process, combines 4 different probiotic strains along with AHAs, vitamin C, botanical extracts. Apply a thin layer to clean skin at night. Wake to softer, plumper, and more youthful, radiant skin. Okay, we'll see. I'm gonna use you. Clean and effective. So is this a clean beauty company, a clean skincare? I don't know. I will let you guys know what I find out, but everyone was talking and raving about it and I just wanted to try it. I just wanted to be cool. Let me smell it. Oh, that one has a strong fragrance scent, so that's a little bit weird. It was really strong. All right, so I'm going to lightly rub it in circular motions like it told me to do. Going all fairly easy, which is nice. However, it's leaving little bits of its crumbs on my face, which is why I really hate physical exfoliators. It leaves bits and pieces. Look, see what I mean? But if I'm at the sink, I can just wash that off. All right, so I finally got it to come off. I did wind up having to go into the bathroom and washing it off because it left like pieces all over the place and like a dry cast, like a white cast looking situation going on my nose. It was weird. Back to this $64 situation. I really do want to try this one before I give you guys any opinions on it, but I think that $64 is extremely expensive for the amount you're getting. You're only getting 1.67 ounces, so it's not even that much bigger than the other container. I don't know. It smells very fragranty. So, but as for this mask, so far I'm gonna obviously finish up the video and give it a little bit, but I feel like it is not gonna be a friend for dry skinned people. Like I feel like it really didn't remove. It's supposed to exfoliate, and I understand that obviously it's supposed to exfoliate impurities out of my skin, but I don't feel, I don't know, I just feel stripped and dried. Like I don't feel, I don't know how I feel about it. It's pretty expensive too. It's a nice clay mask, but look at this, like my skin is like, it's like flaking now up on my forehead, and I've washed it off completely. So I think that if you look at this, it's like, I don't know if you can see this, but it's literally flaking my entire forehead. That's so weird. So I don't think that I'll be using this one very often. I'm gonna try, obviously, with the next 2 weeks to try to use it again, but this is not going to be a very dry skin friendly item. This may be an oily skin, normal to oily skin item only. So the last three things that I have here, one is a Revive and Rewind Revitalizing eye cream, and it comes in this itty bitty little jar. I've been on the search for some new eye cream, so this is exciting. And this one is, this is $52 for 0.5 ounces. This eye cream helps to hydrate, protect, and minimize the appearance of fine lines. Pat gently around the eyes, pat gently around the eye area, AM and PM. AM and PM, oh my God, this is gonna be gone in a day. It's a cream, so we're gonna just put just a little, because I'm not trying to be wasteful here. But I need an eye cream that helps my dry eyes. The reason I haven't put moisturizer on, by the way, is because I got a moisturizer, so I'm gonna test that out today too. So it doesn't burn or anything, which is nice. It definitely, it smells organic. Like it's just, ugh. I don't know. I feel like there's fragrance in that too. So it has probiotics, blueberry, and olive-derived squalane. Well, squalane's really good. Squalane is really, really good. And all of these are gluten-free, so just so you guys know. So it does have fragrance in it. I thought so. It's kind of strong. This one's kind of strong. It doesn't burn my eyes though. It feels actually pretty nice. It doesn't leave like a wet, you know what I mean? Like how some stuff kind of like takes a while to soak in. This is so dry. Like that mask really dried my skin out really bad. But that eye cream isn't bad, and it feels nice. So I'm excited to keep trying that one. And the next item is the 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream. Okay, and this is this little container. I don't know why these things are so small. People were raving about this all over the internet, and I'm sitting here like, I feel like there's a better way than to use these products that you're getting like nothing in this container. I understand like my belief and whatnot because they're huge containers, but this is like nothing. So my Belief moisturizer, which is my favorite moisturizer, is $62. You get 3.38 ounces in this. This was $52 and you get 1.5 ounces. $10 cheaper, you're getting half basically of the size. That's kind of ridiculous. I don't know what's going on with this brand. I mean, I obviously understand it's a very prestigious brand, but like, who are they? Who are you? Who is Tula? Why should I pay this kind of money for skincare? I feel like there's a cheaper way. So this one has fragrance in it too. It's really, really strong, which means it probably is going to irritate my skin. But I honestly need to put some kind of moisturizer on because the longer I sit here without it, the drier my skin is becoming because of that face mask. I will tell you though, it didn't like irritate my skin any. My face is so red because I'm rubbing all over it, I promise you. But it's not bad. It actually feels really nice and does really feel hydrating. So that's really nice too. It actually reminds me almost of the consistency of my Belief cream, but this is a little bit more watery. My skin does look and feel nice. I'm not getting any itchy or tingling. Those dry areas are starting to, you know, go back to normal. So the last item I got was the Tula Skincare, the Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. This probiotic gel-based cleanser removes dirt, impurities, and makeup gently and effectively. Skin is left looking balanced, clarified, and prepped for skincare. Use morning and night. Massaging this to wet skin and rinse with water. This was $28. I believe this was the cheapest item. You mean to tell me face wash was the cheapest item? Okay, so this doesn't... Oh, that smells really good. Almost like, it's like baby wash, like Johnson & Johnson lavender. That smells so good. What is in you? This one didn't come with a box, so I'm trying to look. It has fragrance in it. All of these have fragrance in them. I'm almost certain. Almost all of them. So it doesn't tell me what items are in this. It just is a probiotic gel cleanser. There's that, but it smells nice. I'm excited to use it. I'm gonna look on Ulta and tell you if it's like for dry skin or not, and I'll have to let you know on that because I did not do that first, which is probably dumb, but I didn't. However, I do like look how glowy my skin is right now. I'm about to spray this on there, by the way. And I have a clean, nice, beautiful face. This like hydrating stuff. So this moisturizer is really nice. That is actually really refreshing. Whew, let it sink in. You can't look at it now because like it's wet, so it's gonna look shiny. But those are all of my items. I'm going to, like I said, be using these for the next 2 weeks to give you guys like an idea of how I feel about them. I'm really excited to try them. However, I do believe that this brand is just very gimmicky and very overhyped. So that is it for the items that I got. I'm kind of iffy about them, but I will be using them for the next 2 weeks to give you guys an update on my skin, how it's going. Right now, I will say it looks really, really glowy. I'm not gonna lie to you. I just feel like this is a very overrated brand. It's all over Instagram, it's all over YouTube. Every time I see in beauty groups, people are like, oh, have you tried Tula? Blah, 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 blah. I just feel like it has a lot of fragrance going on. So that bothers me with my sensitive skin. I'm a little worried about that, but we'll see. We will see how it goes. I'm excited to try it out. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any of these products, go ahead and comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are on them. Do you love them? Are they good for your skin? What type of skin you have? So I know, like, if you have really oily skin and you tell me a product's really good, it's probably more than likely not gonna be good for my skin. But just let me know if you guys have any of these. And if you like this video, guys, make sure you hit that like button for me. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I do 5 videos a week and 1 blooper video every Saturday. And as always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.